Most people get this wrong when cashing out on Survey Junkie. They spend hours answering surveys, finally earn enough points, and then get stuck trying to withdraw their money. Even worse, some users accidentally choose the wrong payout option and lose time waiting for payments. Here's the truth no one tells you. Cashing out on Survey Junkie is actually simple once you know the exact steps and the fastest payout methods. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to redeem your earnings, avoid common mistakes, and get paid as quickly as possible. Let's get straight into it. First, open the Survey Junkie app or website and log into your account. On the main dashboard, you'll see your current point balance. Survey Junkie usually works on a point system where 100 points equals $1. To cash out, you normally need at least 500 points, which is about $5. Now here's where it gets interesting. A lot of new users think all payout methods work the same way. They don't. Survey Junkie usually gives you a few different options like PayPal cash transfers, bank transfers in some regions, or digital gift cards for stores like Amazon and Target. If you want actual cash, PayPal is usually the fastest and easiest method. Tap the redemption section, choose PayPal, and connect the same email address linked to your PayPal account. This part matters more than people realize. If the emails don't match, your payout could get delayed. For example, Jake earned 800 points and tried cashing out to PayPal using a different email. His payment stayed pending until he updated the information. Small mistake, big delay. But here's the problem. Some users rush through account verification. Survey Junkie may ask you to confirm your identity before your first withdrawal. This is normal. It helps prevent fake accounts and protects payments. Usually, verification only takes a short time if your information matches correctly. In a minute, I'll show you the fastest way to reach payout again after your first withdrawal. Once you confirm the payout, Survey Junkie processes the request. PayPal transfers can sometimes arrive within minutes, but in other cases, it may take up to a couple of business days depending on account verification and traffic. Now here's where most people fail. They cash out tiny amounts constantly instead of building a larger balance. If you're consistently using Survey Junkie, it's usually smarter to wait until you reach a higher amount before redeeming. That way, you spend less time managing payouts and more time earning. The easiest way to earn points faster is by completing profile surveys honestly, checking daily survey availability, and turning on notifications for high-paying surveys. Users like Alex often miss good surveys simply because notifications are disabled. So here's the bottom line. To cash out Survey Junkie earnings, hit the minimum payout threshold, choose your preferred payment method, verify your account information carefully, and redeem through PayPal or gift cards. The process is simple once you know the right steps. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite survey app. And if you want more ways to make money online using simple apps, check out the next video.